A large myna with a set of brown and black feathers. The wings have large white stripes. Yellow beak and legs. They are often found gathered together in groups that shout loudly. Aggressive personality often chases other birds. Can be found in almost every type of area. Except in the evergreen forest, it is a native bird of South and Southeast Asia. It is one of the easiest birds to find. It is currently an invasive species in many areas around the world, such as Australia, New Zealand, and the Hawaiian Islands.